Okay. Hi. How are you tonight? Hello, Olivia. Is that straight? Let's see. All right. I am going to show you my evening tea. I have it every night. I actually have it sometimes during the day too. So it's not just for night, but I should introduce myself. My name's Allison Davis, and I am a homeschooling mom of 5. I'm married 20 years. I'm way into natural health and essential oils, Young Living to be specific. And I'm getting my CNHP license right now. And I love to see people in their purpose, walking in their purpose. So anyway, though, tonight I'm going to show you exactly how I make my tea. Because every time I make it, every night, I think, I've got to show people this. So, and I started out with doing just salt tea. Okay, so, and when I say salt, I mean pink Himalayan salt. So, there's the salt. I have it in this little cast iron thing, but you know, that's the pink Himalayan salt. You can get that in various grain sizes, from powdered, which is great for the bath, to coarse. A great place I like to get it is saltworks.us. But anyway, for a long time I just drank salt tea because it's the full spectrum of 84 minerals that we need. And if we are lacking in anything, we are lacking in minerals more than vitamins. Has to do with our soil depletion and things like that. So once I started drinking just salt tea, and I mean just like a half a teaspoon of that salt with hot water throughout the day, you know, you start feeling a little sluggish or tired, go get a cup of salt tea and you will be amazed at how much better you will feel. And the idea is to drink, I mean, if you really were gonna go all out and do it, you would get like a 32-ounce mason jar and 2 teaspoons of salt, and just dissolve that in there with, you know, it could be room temperature water, and just sip on it all day. That'd be great. I don't really do that, but every night I definitely have this recipe, which is a little more, has more in it, but it's really good and tasty. And so after the whole salt tea thing, then we all realized, oh, we have to have butter with it. We need good, ideally raw butter, because we need that fat to help let it absorb, and our bodies need good fat anyway. And in addition, you know, we need energy to sleep. So my naturopath, Olivia's mama, has said for a long time, you know, have a great big tablespoon of honey right before you go to bed or something like that, you know, because you need some energy to go to sleep. It's true. So anyway, just I actually got this recipe from a friend, but so it's not my original, but so I'm going to show you how I make mine in a pretty big cup. So I do a half a teaspoon of salt, and then this right here is my raw butter. Here, I just got you another one to show you. This was just out of my freezer, and I made this from raw milk, which all you have to do is put it in the mixer and let it blend until it, the raw milk in the mixer, let it blend until it turns into butter. You can find a YouTube on how to do that. But anyway, I keep this in the freezer so it doesn't go bad, because this is mostly what I use it for. So it's pretty hard. And I just get probably about 2 tablespoons, one to 2, and I cut it up so it'll melt easily. Put it in the cup. You can see how much is in there, quite a bit. And then I'm going to put a big heaping tablespoon of honey, and just throw that in there. And at this point, I'm going to fill it with hot water. So hold on one sec. I'm going right over here. This is my instant hot water, and probably the best item in this kitchen of all, because we use it a lot. So I've got the hot water in there, and I'm going to just stir that until most of that butter melts and the salt is dissolved. Because that butter, well, actually, that butter is in the refrigerator. It's not in the freezer. So at this point, it stays in the fridge. Now, this is raw milk, and I am just going to top this off with raw milk. Just not much, but it really helps the flavor. And then, the secret ingredient is cinnamon oil. That is, I don't know if that's in focus. Let's go in front of my face. Will that do it? Anyway, that is Young Living cinnamon oil. And I wouldn't ingest any other brand of cinnamon oil or any essential oil. I wouldn't use any other brand for that matter. They are the best. But I probably put 5 or 6 drops of cinnamon oil in there. And that is just an awesome tea. There you go. I am going to go drink my tea and go get in my bed. So I hope you guys have a nice night, and I will talk to you later.